Hi guys, good morning in the Philippines, good afternoon here in America. Welcome. This is Christy. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new and you haven't subscribed me yet, please don't forget to subscribe na and hit that bell button as well so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. For today's video, guys, wala lang akong magawa at dahil feeling sikat ako, char lang. Dahil I already have 300 subscribers. I'm so thankful for everyone who support me. Thank you so much and I appreciate you all. And sana magstay lang tayo and please manood naman kayo sa video ko, char. Please watch my video as well, okay? Thank you so much. And today, as you could remember, the game was what's in this box, di ba? You have to guess what's in this box and you will win 100 peso loan. Okay, are you excited and you are eager to know what's inside in this little box? It's so funny. A lot of answers there. They said this is ring, watch, and headset. And there's one that comment that this is warm for my cactus, so that was funny. Thank you, but you're wrong, it's not. Okay, so here they are. I'm going to open it.
Come on!
It's a hand sanitizer mini bottle from Body Works. Ito siya. Maliit lang siya, no? Alright, thank you so much, guys. Bye.